Welcome back to Seeing All Reactions, where today we are going to be checking out Ratatouille, alright? I know nothing about this movie. Well, all I pretty much know is that there's a chef and a rat. That's pretty much it. But anyways, guys, let's just hop straight into this movie. If you want to see the full-length reaction to Ratatouille on our Patreon, go check in the link down below in the description. And anyways, guys, let's just check it out, Ratatouille.
Although each of the world's countries would like to dispute this fact, we French know the truth. The best food in the world is made in France. He's the youngest chef ever to achieve a 5-star rating. Chef Gusteau's cookbook, Anyone Can Cook, climbed to the top of the bestseller list.
What's even more amusing is that Gusteau actually seems to believe it. I, on the other hand, take cooking seriously, and no, I don't think anyone can do it.
Oh. Ratatouille. Let's do it. Oh.
This is me. I think it's apparent I need to rethink my life a little bit.
I know that voice. I forget who it is, though.
I have a highly developed sense of taste and smell.
Do you?
Flour? So what's wrong with having highly developed senses? Whoa, Tony!
Whoa. Well, it's rotten,
Turns out
first
that funny
off.
smell was rat poison.
Yeah.
My dad didn't think my talent was useless. Combine one flavor with another, and something new was created.
Oh?
Neil, I found a mushroom. Come on, you're good at hiding.
No way.
Help me find a good place to put this. This is the real question. Ooh, yeah. Get this.
Really? He's cooking it that way?
Nice and even.
That storm's getting closer. Maybe we shouldn't be so...
Ooh.
It's kind of it's burning, melty. It's not really.
Why does that actually look somewhat appetizing? I'm not gonna lie.
You know, it's got like this boom, zap kind of. She never wakes up.
You've been here a million times?
I'm telling you, saffron will be just the thing. Gusteau
He's
swears by
gonna
it.
drop something, I bet.
And they have, which is why I read, which is also our.
Yeah, it shouldn't matter if he reads or not.
All this cooking and reading, and it's like you're involving me in crime, and I let
Oh
you.
my god, deal with it. It doesn't matter.
Afterwards, which, according to tradition, meant the loss of another.
Seriously?
Gusteau is dead.
Ooh. Yeah, you better run. Ooh. No. Oh my god. Oh. That sucks. Oh. Come on. Oh my god. Oh. Ooh. Oh my god. Forget about the book, man. Ooh. Oh my god. Yeah, grab the spatula. Oh Ooh. Go. Nice. Oh no. It probably went right. Ooh. Okay, you're good now. Oh my god. Why did I get shook over that? Ooh. I like how there's just always a hole for the rat to go through. Oh wow. That's beautiful, man.
Yes, there it is. I have led you to it.
I know that guy. Just from the poster I saw. That's all I know.
She died.
Oh.
Okay.
Well, don't be. She believed in heaven, so she's covered. You know. afterlife-wise?
Dude, just relax.
What's this?
Wow. I think he actually wants to be a chef, though. Not a garbage boy.
I can't
That's the
believe
thing.
it. Oh, him?
That's
He's nobody.
the gender.
Nobody. He is part of the kitchen.
Yeah, he's a plongeur or something. He washes dishes or takes out the garbage. He doesn't cook.
Ooh.
Well,
Wow.
that is not stopping.
Noticing it?
Oh.
Your restaurant too, so what did he say?
Ooh. Oh my god. Come on. Oh. Of course. Oh no. Oh my. Dude. Dude, he's so fast though with it. Yeah, why would you do that? No.
Remy, what
Oh.
are you waiting for?
Is this gonna become a regular thing with
You
you?
know how to fix it. This is your chance.
Might as well at this point. No, no. Ooh.
Where do you get such gall to even attempt?
It's not even that serious.
Wants to see the chef.
But he bitch boy.
Who made
So?
something she liked? How can we uphold his most
Even though he didn't make it, but
Leaf is that, Mademoiselle
he
Tattoo?
still doesn't deserve to be fired either way. Like, go away. Ooh. Ooh.
Get the rat! Shut
Hey, Willie, get something to
Ooh.
What should I do now?
kill it.
Now?
No.
Nothing to go.
Yeah, he's not gonna do that. I think the rat's gonna teach him how to cook. And they're both gonna work together. That's how I think this is gonna go. You're not gonna actually do it, dude.
I can't cook, can I?
No.
But look, don't be so modest.
So
You're a
and
rat,
so.
for Pete's sake. Whatever you did, they. Hey, they like the soup.
Oh. Wow. Go back. What the?
It's.
I mean, it's a studio, I think, for sure. I mean, it's something. Like,
But why here?
literally could be worse.
Road, what did I expect? That's what I get for trusting a rat.
Oh, it's making breakfast.
What? Hey.
Or eggs. Dang. Looks kind of good, actually.
Oh no, we're gonna be late and on the first day. Come on, little chef.
Aw.
Well, I like many.
Yeah, how you gonna hide them?
Welcome to hell.
Oh my god. Oh my. Yeah. Oh my god.
This is not gonna work, little chef. I'm gonna lose it if we do this anymore.
Oh my god.
We gotta figure out something else.
He's hypnotized by the food.
You're hungry.
You doing it?
Just go away, bro. You are annoying.
Familiarizing myself.
Familiar with
Shut up.
Whoa!
Whoa.
That's strangely involuntary. Wait.
Oh. Nice. Come on. There you go. No. Nice. No. 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 Okay.
He's studying under such.
Oh.
You listen. I just want you to know exactly who you are dealing with. How many women do you see in this kitchen?
Well, I
One.
Only me. What?
Easy to cook.
Uh.
Easy to eat.
So he's in love.
Chinese food.
I will need you to collect some DNA samples from the boy.
What?
Mark my words, the whole thing is highly suspect.
He's a garbage boy. I think you can handle him.
Oh my god.
You say come hot and chocolate.
Oh my god.
It cannot be mommy.
Jeez.
Ugh, your sleeves look like you threw up on them. Keep your hands and arms.
Created a hole in the ozone of Ravignon. I killed a man with this thumb.
Mm-hmm.
Never play cards with Pompidou.
Sure, bud.
Been banned from Las Vegas and Monte Carlo.
Nice.
The rat.
just dropped my keys.
Excited this evening. Your soup is excellent, but
Gusto himself said so. Just the sort of challenge a budding chef needs.
I think they got this.
Sweet bread, I like you.
They can do it.
Need to borrow this real quick.
Oh my god.
Apparently, I need this hobby. I'm gonna pick that up. Yeah.
Oh, whoa, whoa, I forgot the anchovy decorations.
Go, 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 go. That's right. Dude. Why are you so worried about him? Like, go away. Do your own thing. Ooh. Don't have it. Why would you say that?
And you, Monsieur Linguini, are no idiot.
Oh, he's trying to get the DNA, isn't he?
Let us toast you.
Or not. I don't know. Oh. Wow.
I thought I'd never see you guys again.
I figured you didn't survive. Rapper once.
Ew.
No.
Okay.
No.
Well, did you don't expect me to believe
Oh.
this is your first time.
Trying to get him to tell the truth.
It's my.
Have some more wine.
Oh my god.
Hey, Linguini, about
Okay.
Now.
I don't think he cares.
You lost me again.
Yeah, he doesn't care.
That was interesting. Most interesting.
to visit. Have you ever had a pet rat?
No.
Did you work in a lab with rats? No. Perhaps you lived in squalor at some point.
Okay.
Is it your home?
Yeah, well,
He doesn't want to be here though. That's the thing.
Thin. Why is that? A shortage of... You're talking like a human.
who are not as
Who
bad
cares?
as you say.
Oh, yeah? Come with me. I got something I want you to see.
Oh, here we go.
You know, I'm gonna stay here.
Oh.
Hey,
Dang. Yeah, wake up, dude. Wake up, dude. Oh no. Oh no.
And ship with the chef.
Bro,
I see how it is. You give me to wake up.
it's not the issue.
The foot.
Ooh.
I didn't have to help you. If I looked out only for myself, I would have let you drown. But
Wait! Don't order.
Ooh.
Michael, away. Look, I'm no good with words. I'm no good with food either. I have this tiny, little.
Companion?
You want to know why I'm such
Oh,
a
no.
fast learner? You want to know why I'm such a great cook?
Don't do it. Please don't. Don't.
no.
Okay then.
This can't
Really?
happen. The whole he's toying with my mind like
Bro, leave him alone.
something.
This guy's the most annoying character in this movie.
Taunting me with that rat.
Rat? Should I be concerned about?
Probably. Ooh. Oh. Oh Go, 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 go. Oh god, now you gotta sneak him food now? Oh my.
It's locked.
I mean, he's dead, so what can he do?
Why would
I have a son?
How could you not know this?
No! No! Don't hurt!
Ooh.
None of my documents! It's getting...
Oh. Come on, go, 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 go. No, no, no. Go, 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 go. No, no, no. Yeah. No. Oh, oh, oh. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ooh. Bro. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh my god. Thank.
I'm his.
Oh. That's awesome. Oh wow. That's awesome. Oh my god. Bro, give up. Leave it alone.
Oh, he should have.
And the doors just magically shut behind him.
But we're fine.
That's Disney for you.
She meant to say it's dinner time and we're French.
It's not good, man. Because you know he didn't really mean it. That's the thing. Okay. And then, where's the dude? Where's the other dude?
Observe.
No, wait!
Ooh!
Oh no! Oh no, no, no! What do we do? I'll go get Dad.
Oh, here we go.
You might think you are a chef.
Good deal. You provide the food, I'll provide the perspective.
Bro.
Nicely with a bottle of Chevet.
I'm afraid
You're not that guy, pal. I'm just saying that. You're annoying.
selection.
Oh.
No, my other left.
Ooh. Oh. Ooh.
Don't touch him.
Oh. Screw those people. She stayed though. Yep. Come on.
You tell us what to do, and we'll get it done.
Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh, wow. That's awesome. So you can do all this. I mean,
Sorry for any delay, but
that's awesome anyway.
Take all of the time you need.
Oh. 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 He loves it. Her?
You must be the
If
chef.
you wish to meet the chef, you'll have to wait until all the other customers have gone.
It was a great night.
That's awesome.
But the only thing predictable about life is its unpredictability. Let Skinner and the helicopter loose, and of course they ratted us out.
Dang.
I feel too bad for him. He's doing very well as a small business investor.
Wow. What a great movie. Alright, so that was a fantastic movie, alright? I did not expect it to be that amazing. It was really just a good movie overall. Really don't have that much to say for my final thoughts. It was amazing. The story was amazing. If I had to rate it, I'd probably give it like an 8 or 9 out of 10. The music, I loved. But yeah, anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more reactions, let us know. And make sure to go down and join our Patreon so you can see our full-length reactions. But yeah, anyways guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.